If you have been stuck for a little while and you're looking to invest in real estate, the best way and the easiest way to start is through house hacking. You can actually buy this duplex behind me with only $19,000. And before you ask me, what are the benefits? Number one, you're buying with $19,000. If you're buying this as an investment property, you'll be putting not less than $100,000 down. Number two is there's a lot of risk when it comes to real estate, but you buying this with only $19,000 just drastically reduce your risk. Number three is now that you are becoming a landlord, you're learning about real estate investing with little or no money out of your pocket. The last one is the tax benefit. There's a lot of benefits when you are investing in real estate, and your CPA, your accountant, can help you write off a lot of expenses when it comes to house hacking. Let's check out this property. So here are four major ways you can finance your house hack purchase or any duplex. Number one, you can do 0 to 3.5% FHA loan. I have a lender that can help you. Number two, 3.5 to 5% conventional loan as well is available. And also you can do FHA 3.5, which almost everybody know about that. Number three, the VA loan. You can use your VA loan, and you can also use your USDA loan if you live in the rural area. Now, if you have a lot of money, you can definitely buy this with 25% down or 20% down. If you want to take action, reach out to me today. Peace.